This is the Nissan Altima 2020. Hi guys, you're watching MHB Auto Vlogs. If this is the first time you're watching our channel, be sure to like, share and subscribe and hit on that bell icon and be a part of our notification squad. Well, talking about the Nissan Altima. Nissan Altima is one of the most popular car in the D segment, we can also go, or the mid-size sedan segment. It's one of the most prominent car, not just in the Middle East. Internationally, it's one of the most popular car and one of the best sellers from the Nissan lineup. So in this review we will find out how significant this car is and what are the specialities in this car, and moreover we will take this car for a short spin. Well, this is the 6th generation of the Nissan Altima. Well, the Nissan Altima was launched in the year 1993 and it's almost 2 decades. It's been a great seller for the Nissan, and it's due to its great performance and great reliable engine, and moreover it's having a very superb performance. Well, let's check it out the first exteriors. Well, as per the design perspective, it looks very stunning, and it's got the Nissan's V-Motion grille, and it looks more bolder, and is the honeycomb grille also here, and here is the headlamps, looks very sharp and extremely upmarket, and this is the SV trim, so this is the mid-level trim. So these are the halogen headlamps, but if you're going for the SL variant, you will be getting the LED DRLs and as well as the LED headlamps also. Oh, I like the bumper of this car, so it's very sporty and it looks very bold, and we are having the fog lamps here, which looks give the very good visibility in the foggy condition and all, and this is the honeycomb grille, looks exceptional, and the bumper is quite good. So as far as the side profile is concerned, it looks very stunning, and there are a lot of chrome work here. Looks all the chrome lines gives a very luxurious look, and even the door handles are of chrome, looks stunning. And talking about the dimensions, well, this car is very 4.86 meters of length it's got, and 1.8 meters of width, and 1.4 meters of height. And talking about the wheelbase, well, it's got a 2.82 meters of wheelbase, which results in extra space for the second row passengers. You can see here. So you can see there is a lot of legroom is available in this car, and the comfort has always been good in Nissan Altima. So great job by Nissan. So we are having here armrest also is available here. So quite a convenient. The cubby holes is available, and there is a lot of cubby holes also in the rear series available. And we are having the AC vents over here, and we are having the charging outlets for USB Type A and Type C. That's quite good. As far as the rear profile is concerned, it looks a lot more like Nissan Maxima. Well, that's very good, because Nissan Maxima is a very more premium car than this one. And as far as the boot space is concerned, we are having a huge 570 liters of boot space, which is quite good. And in terms of practicality, Nissan Altima has always been a great car. So regarding the variant, we are having the S, the SV, the SL. Well, the SV stand for standard value, and the SL stand for the standard luxury. Well, talking about the engines, well, there are 2 engine options available in the UE. Well, this is a 2.5 liter engine which puts out 188 bhp of power and 244 Newton meter of torque. Well, there is another engine option is available, which is the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine, which puts out 248 bhp of power and 300 Newton meter of torque. Well, as per your requirement, you can choose which option you want. And So as far as my recommendation, you can go for the turbocharged engine 2.0. It's more powerful and more fuel efficient also. If you are looking for more powerful car, then 2.0 turbo petrol engine is more better. Now regarding the interiors, well, the interiors are very minimalistic and very elegant, must say. Nissan has done very well. The combination of the black and the beige color looks very exceptional, must say. And there are a lot of practicality in the cabin, and there is a huge glove box over here, and there is a cup holders over here. And this must be a charging wireless charging pad, but this is a mid option, so this is not available. Here are some USB outlets. This is a type C, this is the auxiliary port, there is a 12V socket over here, and here we have the armrest for the driver seat also. It is quite good, and the sitting comfort is pretty good in this car. I must appreciate that one. And we are having the parking camera for the making this whole lot of parking whole lot of easier, and the sound system is quite good. So sound system is quite good, and this is a flat bottom steering wrapped in the leather, and this is the voice commands available, the cruise control, the lane keep assist, and this is the infotainment controls over here, and there is a driver information system also available, and the dual analog odometer and the RPM meter, and the fuel gauge and temperature of the car. And most significant is the this dual zone climate control, both for the driver and all. And I admire the ACs available in the Nissan cars. It's pretty good. And here the main highlight of this cabin is its infotainment system. Well, it supports the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, and the resolution is quite good. As far as the safety is concerned, well, safety has been enhanced to the next level, and it's equipped with Nissan Smart Mobility technology. Well, we will discuss when we take this car for the spin. And we are having the ABS and EBD and dual SRS airbags as standard. We are having push button start over here, and this is the 7-speed CVT gearbox, and here we are having the panoramic sunroof. This is a tiny sunroof is available, which is quite good. Performance of the Nissan Altima 2020. Well, the Nissan Altima is powered by a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, which puts out 188 bhp of power and 244 Newton meter of torque. Well, in the initial impressions, well, the car is very agile and very responsive. Look at the response in the initial stages, and this is a CVT gearbox, which is quite a good gearbox, and it's a very fuel efficient gearbox. Well, now the most important part in the Nissan Altima transformation is its Nissan Smart Mobility technology. So, well, we are having the lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and the forward collision alerts is available. And one of the most significant features is blind spot monitoring. Well, we have the light for this time around. We are having the light inside itself, so you can see whenever the car is on the right lane, so left lane, so it will automatically blink in the orange color. So it is quite a great feature which will help in avoiding a lot of accidents, which is quite a great feature. So talking about the key rivals for the Nissan Altima is the Mazda 6, Toyota Camry, and Kia Optima, and there are a lot of great cars like Honda Accord and Hyundai Sonata also. So this car having its own significances, like great performing engine, great interiors, and great performance also. It's having very super reliable engine, and it's more importantly, it's a very cost efficient engine for those people who are looking for a low maintenance car and having a great resale value. Then you should opt for this. Well, talking about the top speed of the Nissan Altima, well, it does up to 220 kilometers per hour quite easily, and it's 0 to 100 it takes in just 8 seconds, which is quite remarkable. So talking about the price of the Nissan Altima, well, Nissan Altima is starting from the base variant. It's starting from 92,900. It's called the S variant, and the top end variant is the SL variant, which is going up to 134,000 dirhams in the UAE. Well, the top end SL variant is also in two two different engine options, 2.0 turbo liter engine, turbocharged engine, and another one is a 2.5 liter engine. Well, in the end, the Nissan Altima is a very excellent, heck of a proposition if you are looking for a comfortable family sedan, because it completes all my checklist. If I am looking for a car, it's a very good in terms of look. It's a very excellent look it's having, and it's got the great safety features and very comfortable to drive, and moreover very reliable and very easy to maintain, and moreover it's having excellent resale value, and it's got the great after sales service from the Arabian Automobiles. So that's it for now. Hope you like the video useful. Like, share and subscribe. Hit on the bell icon and be a part of our notification squad.